Hey guys, real quick before we get into the breakdown of the chart. If you ever knew the right play but froze, this one is for you. So I was actually anticipating a move to the upside, a distribution move to be specific, and I had TP1 and TP2 specified, but only price got to TP1. I already felt what was going on, and I even called it out on stream, but I didn't act upon it. And because I didn't act upon it and disregarded so many signals, I actually totally missed the whole move to the downside, which was very frustrating and still hurts, to be honest. So let's hop over into the chart where I can show you where I missed the exact signals and how you can avoid it next time not to leave so much money on the table. Let's go. TP2. I can bring it up to here. Now we did not have a break retest. We did not have this retested. Now it could take out the previous high and retest this, right? You have to remember, if you have a previous day high like this, equal highs, it doesn't go to it straight line. I'm not moving my stop. I want it above this little gap here. Here, above this gap. Right. But if it goes below my breaker, it invalidates the long. So then it's again just, you know, not doing its thing. But on the other hand, this is a break, but you also can consider this a breaker, and look where it retested. I just highlighted the lower breaker, but if you take this area here, right, these breakers here, these three, these are also a breaker, and this is the retest. Or maybe this is the high of the London session. Could be, guys, that this is the high. 410. If my levels are not hit before 410, I exit it. I'm not going to wait for this level also. I don't want to wait for this level. I really have half an hour for these two to go. But I like it that it didn't hit the 1 standard deviation. If it would have hit in 1 and it started going back, I would be very hesitant, but it did not hit 1. So we just sort of like accumulating below 1 before the macro. So 53, let's see. We want to see it run. Run. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. To the downside at some point. Well, let's see. Time is sort of running out. I was hoping I would run already a little bit for my TP2. Come on. Okay, TP1 taken. Now, is it going to reject? I know we're going to get a rejection from here, but I just want it to be a short. Maybe I should take it off. I don't think it's going to do that in this macro. It's going to take previous day high and go to the end walk. So I think I should have adjusted. It's too high. Time is running out. Maybe TP1 was it. That's the manipulation. You see, it just goes to 1, and it's 1 and done. It's a 1 and done. Oh, describing. So I guess TP1 was it. But let's see. If I'm stopped out, I'm stopped out. I'm going to journal it anyway. Because it went exactly to 0.1, right? Standard deviation. Just not more. But that's what it does. Previous day highs here. Well, let's see. 4 o'clock. Come on. There's a volatility injection coming. But it could be to the downside because we have not retested this breaker yet. Let's see. 4 o'clock. Yay! I really want it to. It really needs to go over this level here. If it doesn't get over this level, we're going to go back down. Come on. Here we have SMT or something. And Q on ES looks very bearish. This is a bad entry, by the way. So the retest of this breaker here. Let's say you missed this one, then you have this one, right? So it didn't take this one, it took this one here. And then TP1 would have been a 2R, I think. Oh shit. ES looks bearish. Look. This is not bullish at all anymore. So I should get out. Okay, it's gonna be I'm going out because it's bearish now. It's I don't have to wait for it. It's below the 4 o'clock. Macro is over. So I guess it's the high for the London. So it just only went to 1 standard deviation. So I'm doing to journal it. We have equal highs. So we know what that means. 413. Did we make a bearish breaker? Yes, we did. Now we have to swap. You know, we are going to revisit this later today. But I think the high is in for London, to be honest. It's 421, so either we're going to run to the downside. Okay, breaker is activated now. Yeah, it's going. Cool. We made equals. We are done for London. It's going to go low. I have an easy trade. And all this time, I'm never 100% comfortable, to be honest. And that's why I have my TP1, but it should have been my final TP, to be honest. So that was actually the low-hanging fruit, and this was just too much to ask. I guess it was greed. And then once you have, when you see a break, you get more. That's what confluence. You see, like it's disrespecting the PD, and when you're in consolidation, you can't really see. It's sort of like it's sort of like almost a gamble, right? And this wasn't a gamble anymore because it was going through and it disrespected the bush breaker, and then it was okay. How far are you going to go down? But hey, we're in distribution. This is a distribution candle. Let's go to the 4 hour. You can see it more clear, and then so all this move up was just creating that manipulation move to the upside, but it took time, right? So what was this? This was manipulation wick. So technically, for the distribution wick, you want to get in this wick area, and I should. I'm actually a little bit upset about myself that I didn't get in at the 1 here. And then we created the high between 2:30 and 4 a.m. and it's exactly 4 a.m. and then actually you can have the high. Most of the time you create the high before 4 in London. So all these things together, reaching 1 standard deviation, getting into consolidation, you know, for the 350 to 410, not giving that spike to the upside, were all very telling. And I had to look at the ES and it looks very bearish, but I should have already known, to be honest. And then, yeah, so should have done better, to be honest, but that and this and that. And for me, I needed that bullish breaker to be active, but it's far too late, to be honest. I mean, I should have been already in here. Okay, 1, and we're not running in 350 to 410 macro. That was already the telling sign. So, but that, yeah. It happens. We're just starting, so. So, you know, looking at all these things and being a distribution trader, it's sort of like a little bit annoying on my end. Even though for a paper trade, I would have, you know, when I have a bias and I was really like, okay, we're gonna go up, but everything was already sort of like indicating, and everything together, I should have already switched sooner instead of waiting for that breaker. Yeah. Action on it. And we are this is that 3 o'clock, so this was that low, that was this low, right? That was the where's the 2? This should be. That's weird. Why are you not here? Oh, 4 hour. Oh, sorry. Let's go to the 1 hour. Oh, let me show you. So when the 4 hour goes below when you see the 3 o'clock and we are over 4 o'clock already, I'll show you on the 1 hour. Yeah, so this was the 3 o'clock, right? So when you are below the close or the open of the 3 o'clock, that is also sort of like you went through the whole body of the 3 o'clock candle. So everything lining up, it was, you know, after such a long area of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hour candles. And then when this goes below, but hey, we didn't take out liquidity here. That was, I think that was a little bit for me, we didn't take out liquidity here, but this one, the last one, you would like it to happen, right? That was the easy one. But anyway, very insightful, very insightful. It was a very insightful session to learn from, and I do think, again, you know, the high, it's around 4 o'clock. I was on a piscina on the phone, laying in bed after the L. Okay, your losing trades are the ones you learn the most of. It's either a mental thing, or it's just that you don't have a proper model, or you just are not disciplined enough. And if it's a technical thing, because you don't have them, and the more you get technical and the more you are mechanical in your trading, the less psychological issues, you know, because you are more mechanical and you are more procedural in your approach. But the only thing is the positive. You have to make a loss into a positive, which means you have to journal it, and you just have to find out, okay, reverse engineer, what did I do wrong, and what do I do wrong, and what did I miss? That's what I always ask myself. What did I miss? Now I don't do any backtesting anymore on sheets. I wanted visual. I really want, okay, what did I see? I waited too long. But again, oh, I remember, shit, I already said, and we opened the 4 hour open below, and all those little things, I write it down and then I journal it. Okay, so next time when I see this scenario play out again, I'm like, okay, and I actually also said it, if it's 410, I'm getting out. I waited too long, guy. Well, I did get out when it was dropping, right? But I should have gotten out already here, even before it went below the 4 o'clock. Because I've got these times here for a reason, because there's logic behind it. Because I trade these times. These times are very important in my trading, and sometimes you don't skilled in and fill to close or flip. For the same, I mean, I also thought we might go a little bit higher, but everything was actually telling. And looking at the, I don't think we had S&T, by the way. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Look at here. Yes, we did. We even had S&T on 315, and we had on the 345. So it was already. It's very. So we missed a lot, guys. We missed a lot of information. I need to do some really extensive journaling because me as a distribution trader should not have missed that trade.